Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking the cinematic frame. Pick 2, 35, 1 or 16, 9 and set 24 FPS to get film motion. Once chosen, switch to manual exposure so highlights stay controlled and lower ISO to reduce grain. You'll need ND filters outdoors. Mount the camera on a gimbal or tripod to stabilize movement. This single choice changes the feel immediately. Make a quick test shot, check focus and histogram, and adjust framing. Then you're ready to roll the first usable clip. Next, you sculpt the image. Pick a shallow aperture like f/1, 8 to f/4 to separate subject from background and create creamy bokeh. Once set, plan 3 camera moves, reveal, push, or track, and keep each under 4 seconds for smooth, watchable motion. Make sure to include foreground elements and compose with the 1/3 rule so depth reads on screen. While moving, maintain consistent speed and eye line. If you hit jitter, slow the movement or add slight stabilization in post. Finish by shaping light. Position a soft key and a subtle fill around a 2:1 ratio to keep contrast cinematic but natural. While you light, record clean sound with a directional mic and a separate ambient track. Clap once at start for easy sync. Once you wrap, stabilize any remaining wobble, apply a mild color grade to unify tones, and add a letterbox to reinforce the cinematic aspect ratio. If color or motion looks off, check exposure clips and reshoot a short reference for correction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.